Comparing hybrid versus plug-in hybrid versus full electric vehicles. Which is right for you? As the automotive industry shifts towards more sustainable options, consumers face a choice between hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and full electric vehicles. Each type offers unique benefits and challenges. This video will help you understand the differences and determine which option might be best for your lifestyle and needs. Welcome to Auto V Fix, your go-to YouTube channel for everything automotive. In today's detailed video, we'll be thoroughly comparing hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and full electric vehicles to help you decide which one is right for you. Hybrid vehicles. These vehicles combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor and battery. Pros: better fuel economy than conventional gas vehicles. No need to plug in. The battery charges through regenerative braking and the gas engine. Familiar driving experience with no range anxiety. Cons: limited electric-only driving, usually only at low speeds. Not as environmentally friendly as plug-in hybrids or full electric vehicles. Best for drivers who want improved fuel economy without changing their driving habits. Those who don't have access to charging stations. Plug-in hybrid vehicles, PHEVs. PHEVs have a larger battery than standard hybrids and can be charged via an external power source. They can run on electric power alone for a certain distance before switching to gas. Pros: can drive on electric power alone for 20-50 miles before switching to gas, useful for short commutes and daily errands on electric power. No range anxiety for longer trips thanks to the gas engine. Cons: more expensive than standard hybrid, requires access to charging stations for optimal use. Heavier than conventional vehicles due to the dual powertrains. Best for drivers with short daily commutes who also take occasional long trips. Those who have access to charging at home or work but aren't ready for a full electric vehicle. Full electric vehicles, EVs. EVs run solely on electricity stored in their batteries and have no gasoline engine. Pros: zero direct emissions, lower operating costs. Electricity is generally cheaper than gas. Quieter and smoother driving experience. Less maintenance required, fewer moving parts. Cons: limited range compared to gas vehicles, though this is improving. Longer refueling, charging times, requires access to charging infrastructure. Generally higher upfront costs, though prices are decreasing. Best for environmentally conscious drivers. Those with predictable daily driving patterns. Drivers who have reliable access to charging stations. Factors to consider when choosing. 1. Driving habits. Consider your daily commute and how often you take long trips. 2. Charging access. Do you have a place to charge at home or work? Is there sufficient public charging infrastructure in your area? 3. Environmental impact. If minimizing your carbon footprint is a priority, full electric vehicles offer the lowest emissions, especially when charged with renewable energy. 4. Costs. Upfront costs. Generally, hybrids are the least expensive, followed by PHEVs, with EVs being the most expensive. Operating costs. EVs have the lowest fuel costs, followed by PHEVs, then hybrids. Maintenance costs. EVs typically have the lowest maintenance costs due to fewer moving parts. 5. Performance. EVs offer instant torque and smooth acceleration. Hybrids and PHEVs provide a balance between traditional gas engine performance and electric efficiency. 6. Range. If you frequently take long trips, a hybrid or PHEV might be more suitable unless you're comfortable planning around EV charging stops. 7. Incentives. Many regions offer incentives for eco-friendly vehicles, especially for PHEVs and EVs. Check what's available in your area. In conclusion, choosing between a hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or full electric vehicle depends on your individual circumstances. 1. Hybrid. best for those wanting improved fuel economy without changing their driving habits or needing access to charging stations. 2. Plug-in, hybrid. Ideal for drivers with short daily commutes who also take occasional long trips and have access to charging. 3. Full electric. Perfect for environmentally conscious drivers with predictable driving patterns and access to charging infrastructure. Consider your driving habits, access to charging, environmental priorities, and budget when making your decision. As technology advances and charging infrastructure expands, electric and electrified vehicles are becoming increasingly viable options for a wider range of drivers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay cool, stay dry, and happy driving.